Hello everybody, I'm Allison, Deputy of MoonWillow Tai Chi and Wellness, and I'm here to tell you about my upcoming workshop, The 6 Healing Sounds. And this is an ancient Qigong technique that helps to heal and tonify the organs. Now, you can think of our negative emotions as like garbage, and if we do not dump the garbage, then it can cause some real problems later on. Different emotions will settle into different organs. So the kidneys will store fear, our liver will store anger, the lungs can store sadness, and over time, if it really accumulates, it can really have a powerful impact, a negative impact on your health and well-being, be it physical or even mental. So in the 6 healing sounds, we utilize specific sound frequencies that resonate with that particular organ to help it release that negative energy from it. Now, there are many ways to do the 6 healing sounds, so you'll see different practitioners show it differently. And the way I'm going to be showing it in this workshop will include a little secret thing that includes eye movement, a specific way of moving the eyes that helps reprogram your brain and release trauma from your brain. So it's not just working all the organs in the body here, you're also working your brain as well and helping you to release trauma and fear and anger and whatever it is you're holding on to. So we're going to get the complete package in this particular workshop, and I'm excited to show it to you, and I hope you can join me. Please register as soon as you can. We've got a sale on right now, so you'll see all the info in our description, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much. Follow your heart and live well.